This is the front of the 20FQ, my outdoors RV. As you can see, it has a aluminum guard that goes up quite higher than most RVs, enabling it to really stop the rocks and stuff from hitting it. Down here we have two batteries that support the solar system that I'll show you in a minute. Looking down the side, here's a storage area in front. It's like a pass-through, it goes through the other side. And then also that area you're looking at back there is underneath the bed. Provides you, a lot more storage room. Come down here, show you this sign that says off-road. This system has a CRE 3000 suspension system in it with new Monroe gas shocks, and that gives you about 3.5 more inches of travel, so you don't really need to be going off-road to take advantage of it, because just hitting potholes or something will make all the difference in the world. Here we have the solid steps. They fold out and fold in. Coming around to the back of the RV, you have storage here. There you have your tire, your spare tire. That's a new spare tire. You also have a camera there and another camera up there that transmit to a 9-inch video screen that's in your truck or your pulling vehicle, and we're able to see pretty well. This is the biggest addition we made. We took out the dinette system that was in this area. The chairs were very uncomfortable, the seating, and it was quite inconvenient to use. These chairs are fully reclining and very, very comfortable, covered with ultra leather. We bought them up in Amish country, up in Indiana, and as you can see, there's a table in between to hold your drinks. And down here at the side, you can see that there's the tables we use to eat on. They're lap tables. They work great. A little place for your remote controls. Here you have the ZAMP solar system controller. It gives you your status of your battery and lets you know how those two batteries are staying charged. As you can see here, this is the television. This is a 22-inch Jensen, and this is actually in the out and viewing position. When you travel, it goes in this position and is strapped down with that rubber bungee you see there. The refrigerator, large freezer, works very well. This refrigerator works off of gas or electric, and so it works fine going down the road. Here again, you have a lot of room inside the regular refrigerator, and that black thing down there is a upgraded heater to keep this thing really warm in the wintertime. This is the basic counter area. We replaced this sink with one that can spray down, and of course these things come off. We also added this hardwood chopping block that covers the actual burners, and when they're not in use, that gives you more room for making sandwiches or preparing soup and that type of thing. Here's the microwave, and down here is the stove. Also installed a click button start for the burners, so it works very similar to a grill that you would use outdoors. This is the control panel. The thing at the top is the Jensen audio control. You can play CDs, DVDs. Controls 2 speakers outside, 2 speakers inside. Place the TV across those speakers inside. We have an outdoor temperature monitor, some switches for the awning, and then these are your gauges where you can tell, you know, how much black tanks filled up, where your fresh water is, that type of thing. These are for your water heater, and this is for your water pump if it's needed. You go down the wall this way, you can see that we've installed a digital thermostat, Honeywell digital thermostat. As you can see, it's 91 in here, but used to have an analog thermostat that didn't work very well. This is the bathroom. Show you around. The closets here have storage underneath the lap and the sink. And one of the things that we did install, we did replace this, but we also used to just have a material shower curtain. Now we have this curtain that pulls and locks all the way, and then when you release it, it pulls back up and strips all the water off it so you don't get any mold. Also in this room, we have a remote fan, and then here's the remote for it right next to the toilet, so you can just push that button and turn the fan on and exhaust all the air in the bathroom, move it out of the trailer. There's a nice cabinet. You can store plenty of things. I don't know how well you can see in there, but anyways, that's what it is. Back here we have the bedroom. We have a dresser top on each side, and at the back there's both 110, 12 volt, and a USB connector. These overhead closets can contain all your clothes. There's room up here for a satellite or for another TV. As you can see, the controls are there. So if you wanted to install a TV in your bedroom, you could do that. And we also have this mirror we put in. And here's a control for the remote in this room and for the lights. That's pretty much it. You know, probably our the thing we're most happy with is these chairs we bought up in Amish country. They're made by the Amish, covered in ultra leather. They're very comfortable, recline fully, and don't hit each other. They're wall huggers, and they don't hit the refrigerator. They're just very comfortable to sit in. You can fall asleep in there, which I can attest to. I've done a few times. And then we have this table in between to set our drinks, or on each side there's a ledge. And you can see plenty of windows for flow through. That's about it.